Hello again. It's just me, Judge, with my 2006 VRSCD Night Rod. I have now changed the exhaust from that big ugly stock system you can see on my bench to this very nice looking Danmoto 2-into-1 system, which I purchased last week. Fitted fairly easily. Had a little bit of fettling to do with the bracket. I don't know if I can capture this, but that bracket down in there didn't really fit because it was made for a VRSCA or B, and the mounting points are slightly different on the Night Rod as opposed to the V Rod. I wanted to try and balance the look of the bike as much as anything else. As you can see, I think I've achieved that. Looks much better than it did previously, with the big standard exhaust sticking out of the side, and I have definitely certainly improved the sound. As you may recall from my earlier video, I wanted to create some bass. There was no bass. I've certainly created that. It's gone from the sublime to the ridiculous. It's very loud, which, to be honest, I am more than happy with. So 10 out of 10 for Danmoto. I'll just fire it up. It will be briefly. Basically, my neighbours, I don't want to upset them too much, and it is, as I said, very loud. Okay, so I'm just going to fire it up so you can hear it. But it's much better. Sounds absolutely awesome. Anyway, I'll have to turn it off quite quickly. As I said, I don't want to upset my neighbours. So there we are, 10 out of 10 to Danmoto. There we are. Mission accomplished. Really happy with it. I would highly recommend the Danmoto exhaust system. Fantastic value for money. Thanks for watching. Bye now.